Okay, so the next stage is digging into classes. So the dashboard again is your overview, but if you want to, you can look more closely at what's going on within individualized classes. So on the side here, you've got all your options, and there's a lot of different features which we're not entirely using, and we'll add pieces as things progress, but for now we're focusing on using it primarily for communication. So if you go there, you'll see classes, and hopefully what you'll find is that your son or daughter has been enrolled into a range of classes. So this is P5 Edwards. You'll see that you've got science, language arts. You can click on any of those classes. So if we go P5 Edwards Visual Art, that'll open up to the individualized class itself. And you'll see in there, again, there's a calendar, there's upcoming dates and deadlines, so it just breaks it down in a little bit more detail. You can see what units of study the children are doing, which breaks that down. And often you can learn a bit more about what's actually happening within the class itself, which is great. There is a messaging system which the students have not been trained on using, but it is something that they can use, but we prefer for them to wait on that until we've kind of gotten them used to it. Your calendar, which would give you the full calendar for the month. Tasks, so anything that the teacher's given them to do, it's here, and often when you click on it, you would get more information. So just to do a quick recap, on the side, you go to classes, and from there you can get into any of the classes that they're involved in and learn a bit more. So we do French and Spanish. So there are the units. These are the units that are happening in French and Spanish. Here are some of the tasks and the dates that they're happening. You can get an overview of the course. And there's a larger calendar which shows when the various quizzes are on, which you can hover over. So teachers are responsible for putting this in, and it's been a really effective tool that we use as teachers and administrators, but also for parents and students. And it's great that we're starting it now in P5 because it's really the hub of the IB middle years and diploma program as well. So the sooner that they get used to the system, the better they're prepared to kind of move forward as we work our way up through the program.